Welcome to Sicily and its stunning capital, Palermo. Take a 4-hour walk-in city tour and together with your private guide visit the Norman Palace and the Palatine Chapel. On a tour, you walk along Villa Banana to the cathedral in Corso Vittorio Emanuele to the imposing Four Corners. Then continue to the Tuscan Fountain in Piazza Pretoria, and just behind it see two splendid Arabo-Norman churches, La Martarana and San Cataldo. Add one more day to your trip and enjoy a tour to Segesta with its best preserved Doric temple and the unforgettable medieval hilltop town of Aricia. This small province stretches out in northern Sicily and can easily become the highlight of your trip to Italy. This charming central city is famous for its diverse culture and prominent history. Every part of Palermo fascinates, and we definitely want you to visit Palermo with Firebird Tours.